say, okay, let's go.
Okay.
So everybody can talk to each other on the earphone system inside once it's up and away. Is there going to be another flight? Are you going to take some more people?
I think that's what he said. That's what Thomas said.
This film operator here would like to go along.
Can you guys carry me in this thing?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking a picture. I'm taking advantage of your camera.
My first helicopter.
Here you go.
Okay.
I was having
Here's
a
a moment,
helicopter.
Diane.
Yeah.
Come have some lunch and dinner and have some fun and
My,
meet some really neat people.
From in
Nice work.
Kyoto.
Okay.
Okay, then. So here comes.
So
So-
who's going? I think we're-
Is this the flight number 2, Thomas? Flight number 2?
Yeah. So you think I can grab a ride from you?
Yeah, next time.
Okay.
We have more party up here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
I'm planning
this is your
to.
last one for today?
Yeah, last night I have my chauffeur gonna pick us up. They're gonna drop us off this time.
Oh,
Because I
okay.
want to fly them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
I'll catch you guys next time.
Yeah. I'm interested in buying
Right
this
this way.
place.
Do it.
It's nice, yeah, because I want my mom to live below. She wanted to always live near a supermarket.